Hey, this is Peter Vexelman. So I wanted to literally stop at this ATM machine because of something that just happened while we're driving. So I'm driving with David. We're actually doing a bunch of videos out here today, doing a bunch of social media. And literally within the last 2 minutes, I got calls from my office about 2 deals that we closed. I mean, like back-to-back closing. And that's the cool thing about real estate. If you're able to align yourself correctly in this business, I'm telling you, this business becomes a cash machine. I mean, literally, I didn't even know we're closing these deals, and literally didn't know we're closing 2 of them, back-to-back closings. So the structure of this business is very important. I'll tell you, if you're not structuring this business correctly, all you're doing is you're really creating yourself another job, or you might not even make any money. You know, a lot of times people like do one deal and it takes them months on end, and then they look back at it and they're like, oh my God, you know, it took me 5 months to get a deal done. I made X amount of money. I put X amount of time in it. And then you realize, man, I could have worked like a McDonald's and made more money per hour. So structuring the business correctly, the infrastructure, the people, the leveraging, the how you're attacking the marketplace, very, very important in this business. And by the way, guys, I feel like I know how to do that about as good as anyone in the business. So if you want me to teach you how to do it, if you want to use my money to find deals in your own marketplace, my money to close on all those deals, my money to fix the deals, my people, my infrastructure to help you and I fix them, then you and I sell them, split the profits, then you need to be part of my partner-driven coaching program, because that's exactly what I do with partners literally all over the United States. So to learn more about how you could be one of our partners, either go to our website at www.coachingbypeter.com, or you can call me directly at area code 404-915-9685. If you're not structured correctly, you're in for a very, very long and possibly disappointing haul.